Hello viewers, this is your tutorial on how to automate comment on Reddit using Socinator. If there are Reddit posts you want to comment on, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Reddit account and hit Go to Tools. This will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Reddit through Socinator. Let's click Comment. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to comment on a number of Reddit posts within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for comment activity. Let's start with the first one, Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted posts to comment on. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the post. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's type marketing for example. Type it in this area, then click Add. So this will target posts containing this keyword and Socinator will comment on them. Next, we have custom URL. For this one, we need a specific Reddit post. Let's say you want to target this particular Reddit post, for example. So copy the post URL here. Success. Paste it in the query box and click Add. So this will target this specific Reddit post and Socinator will comment on it. Finally, we have Socinator Publisher Campaign. This depends on the campaigns you have published using Socinator. You can view them in the Socio Publisher tab over here. Simply copy the Socinator Publisher Campaign ID of your choice and paste it in the query box, then click Add. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the Trash Bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the first one, click it, and it's gone. The next configuration category is Comment. This allows us to create the comments we want to post on Reddit. So you can type the comment in this area. Your comment is I think it is, for example. You may clear using the Clear All button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. Let's type again. I think it is. For queries, this depends on our search queries from earlier. We only have one, so let's select one, but you can select one or more or all of them. For filter text, it's up to you. So if there's a text you want to filter, then type it in this area. When you're ready, click the Add Comment to List button, and it will be added to the comment lists over here. So you can see the comment, the query, the filter, and the action button over here will allow us to edit or delete the comment. The next configuration category is Job Configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should post comments on Reddit. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 16, medium with 41, fast with 66, or super fast with 83. Superfast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each comment. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after commenting on the number of posts you set. In Message to Number of Profiles per Job. Messages to number of profiles per job will allow you to specify the number of comments you want to post per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of comments to post per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of messages to max profiles per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep commenting on posts even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click add interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click add interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking create favorite. Let's call it Reddit comment. Click save. We can then open it by clicking select favorite time and choosing Reddit comment. The last tool is post filters. This allows us to filter the Reddit posts we want to comment on. So check the first one to target sponsored posts. Check the second one to target locked posts. Check the third one to target archived posts. The fourth one will target hidden posts. The fifth one will target roadblock posts. The sixth one will target blank posts. Then the next one will target original content. Next, you can specify the gold count in a specific range between two numbers. Then the score in a specific range between two numbers. Then the num cross posts in a specific range between two numbers. Then the number of votes in a specific range between two numbers. Finally, you can specify the number of comments the post should have. Let's say 10 to 20. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start commenting on Reddit posts, let's scroll up and click save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating comment on Reddit using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the social drop-down button and select Reddit. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Engage tab and select Comment on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Reddit comment. For search query, let's select custom URL as our query type. Then let's use the same URL from earlier for our query. Click add. For comment, let's type the same comment. I think it is. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons. For queries, we have one. For filter text, it's up to you. Let's click add comment to list and it's added. The action button over here will allow you to edit or delete the comment. For job configuration, let's select slow. For post filters, let's check comments 10 to 20. Then we have other configuration. If you check it, then you can post unique comment on a specific post from each account or use a specific comment only once from an account. So let's select the first one. Finally, we have Manage Blacklisted Users. Blacklisted users are the Reddit accounts you do not want Socinator to interact with. In this case, Socinator will not comment on the blacklisted users' posts when this box is checked. So this can either be a private blacklist, which belongs to a specific Reddit account, or a group blacklist, which is shared between all the accounts you add. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select accounts or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Reddit accounts. Since we only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click save. After saving, let's click the red button, create campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Reddit comment campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.